Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. Classic drink, which is a margarita, and it's again another simple cocktail, and we're going to be using tequila again. So we're going to be using tequila, Cointreau. If you have no Cointreau, you can use triple sec or you can use Grand Marnier. We also have some simple syrup, which again is very simple to make, sugar and water equal parts, and again lime juice, and of course we have to have ice. Ice is so important in making cocktails. So let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and measure 1 1/4 ounces of tequila. This is one and a half, so we're going to do 1 1/4 ounces of tequila. We're going to go with 3/4 ounces of Cointreau. So let's go. So this is an ounce measure, so we're just going to go 3/4 ounce. There we go. And then we're going to go a bar spoon of simple syrup. So I have a nice long bar spoon here. Bar spoon of that. There we go. There we go. And then we're going to go with an ounce of lime juice. Let's go ahead and cut this lime. And I have a lime squeezer, which is here. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze 1 ounce of lime in here. And the good thing about this lime squeezer is because it's so small, it doesn't get all over the place. I'm able to squeeze the lime directly into my jigger, my 1 ounce jigger, which is perfect. And again, so important, always use fresh lime juice. Never, ever, ever use that bottled lime juice. It ruins your drinks. And the flavor is so strong because it's so artificial, it overpowers the drink. So definitely always fresh lime juice. So we're putting in now 1 ounce of lime juice. So we have all of our ingredients inside there. What I'm going to do now is to get some ice. We're going to put some ice into our Boston shaker. And again, the ice helps with the, of course, chilling the beverage, and of course it also helps with dilution as well too. There we go. We're going to give it a nice little knock. And then we're going to give it a nice little shake. So there we go. So that's perfect, that's pretty good. And we're going to double strain this. We're going to double strain this. So just get my Hawthorne strainer, and we're going to double strain this into a Martini glass. But before we do that, we want to rim this with a bit of salt. So I'm going to take some of the limes, the actual lime, and I also have right here a salt rimmer. We have some salt, and we're going to go ahead and rim this glass with some salt. So there we go. Perfect. Just close this up. Bring this out the way, and there we have our glass. So we're going to go ahead now and double strain this now into our Martini glass, or you can use a Margarita glass. So I'm going to go right in here. And this is a classic Margarita. There we go. Put that there. And then what I'm going to do is to go ahead and make a garnish. This little lime wheel. Put a nice garnish right on this. And that is our classic Margarita. So let's go ahead and taste it. And the salt rim goes perfect with the tequila. It's such a wonderful beverage. It's a classic. Let's just go ahead and taste it. Just amazing. On my next video, or one of my next videos, I'm going to show you how to make a mango margarita or watermelon. We're going to do some flavored margaritas, but this is absolutely fantastic. So if you have enjoyed this show, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell. And again, I am John Hazzard, and for me it's all about food, but today it was all about the margarita. See you next time on All About Food. Delicious.